everyone, I'm Anshika Verma. Welcome back to Expo Media. Today we are at India Machine Tool Expo 2025. This is about the machinery sector. This is happening from 11 to 14th July. And the timings are 10 to 6. This is happening in Yashabhumi Dwarka Sector 25. You can come easily by the metro. The nearest metro station is Yashabhumi Dwarka Sector 25. You can come by your own vehicle as well. The parking facilities are available here. So let's go inside and see what brands are showcasing here today. What are the new machineries they have launched today. Let's go. Hello, sir.
Hello,
May I know your name?
I'm Gurbhed Singh. I'm a regional manager over here in SNT Engineers, MFD division and ADM division.
What kind of machineries you guys make?
We are manufacturing a lot of machineries from plastic injection molding machines, machining centers, laser machines, and we are also trading in a variety of machines we're dealing in.
Can you please show us what machineries you guys are showcasing today?
This is presently our laser machine 6 kilowatt with a pilot changer, closed body, with, manufactured at a plant in Coimbatore. We are manufacturers of machine ourselves.
So
Yeah.
how it works?
This is basically a 6 kilowatt machine. It works to cut both SS material, MS material, aluminium, brass.
Let's move forward to the next one.
Yeah. This is our laser welding machine to weld up to 5 mm thickness. Presently, we have exhibited 1.5 kilowatt. We are also having 3 kilowatt machines also.
Let's go to the next one.
Yeah. Single bed 3 kilowatt laser cutting machine, and this machine has got to capacity to cut up to 16 mm MS in production. Cost effective machine and very popular machine.
Do you guys customize also for the customers?
Yes, we can also customize the bed.
And what's the range lies between?
Range lies between beginning from 25 lakh rupees and goes up to 80 lakh rupees also. Different type of machines.
What is the specialization and features of this machinery basically?
This machine is a single bed machine. It's offered with a 3 kilowatt source. We are having a single cast aluminium gantry over here, offered with breaker source.
Any more machinery that you are thinking to launch in lasing sector?
Yes, we are planning to launch a 6525 machine. We are already having a machine. We plan to put up a machine next time in this exhibition with a bigger bed size, 6525.
And how is the response you're getting from audience since how many years you guys are exhibiting here?
The response has been good. SNT is a very big group. We are from 1996 into manufacturing of VMCs. We are manufacturing plastic injection molding machines. It's a very big, good company, having 18 branches pan-India, and 4 branches are based in Delhi NCR. We have got our own tech center in Noida. It's our own building over there. We have exhibited our machines over there also.
Let's move forward to the last one.
Tube cutting machine, 3 kilowatt machine, and it is basically to cut round shapes, tubes and square tubes, and it's got a capacity to cut up to length we can cut up to is 6 meters in length. We are also having one more machine which combines both the sheet and tube.
Which is that one?
That is not exhibited over here at the moment, but we plan to exhibit in the next exhibition over here in Imtas.
What is your website if anyone wants to contact you?
Yeah, our website is www.stengineers.com.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
May I know your name?
K. Mariselvam, SNT Engineers, EDM Division, Service Center Application Manager.
What kind of machineries you guys manufacture?
In the manufacture in our SNT group, VMC, vertical machine, plastic injection molding, metal forming, like this, and EDM wire cut machine, and plastic molded dies.
So what kind of machineries you guys are showcasing today?
Today we are fast speed.
Can you please show us how it works?
Yes. This is a like fast speed SF45. So this is the X and Y travel, and is that UV also. So in the enable cut, total 6 degree possible. The machine cutting stable speed, minimum 120 mm square mm speed.
And what is the use of water in this machinery?
This is for wire coolant. This is a wire diameter 0.18. So while the cutting the machine, it will come spark. So there is a for coolant work.
This is for the cooling of the material.
Yes, cooling the material.
Until how much it can cuts the metal?
This is maximum 500 possible in this machine. So if we can, if we have the metal 1000 also possible.
Let's move forward to the next one.
Yes. This we cutting the job, the single cut.
This is by this machine.
This machine. This is also cut here.
This material that as you see here, this has been done by cutting of this machinery. You can see here. Let's move for the next one. So what is this machinery?
This is a brass wire cut. Brass wire cut EDM. So it's the series EX40. So they are manufactured in Coimbatore. This machine, like machine possible maximum 1 meter again.
I know what you know.
Okay. The 400 and 300, 220 height. Okay. And another one plus or minus 22 degree, 80 mm thickness possible.
Until how much this cuts the material?
Maximum 220 this machine possible. The EX40 means maximum 220 possible.
So you guys also customize the product according to the customer's needs.
Yes. If you want customer more than height, you can possible up to 300 mm.
And what's the range lies between? What's the price lies between?
This is around 35 lakhs, the flushing type model.
And about the customization, then it gets increased.
Yes, increased.
Let's move on to the next one.
Yes. This is a brass wire. It will come like this one. So same that we are see the another means that is a reusable. Reusable means front and backward that one. That's a series. But the EX series means that wire one time we can use. After the scrap another one. This is a control for we make the program here. For example, I will show you.
Kind attention to all the participants. There is final ceremony launch at VBs with international pilots.
Okay, the machine, this is three types of them. A machine tool, a generator, and a dialectrical tank. What is the purpose, ma? This is for XY movement. This is for controller. So whatever we are make the program that will cut this machine. This is a dialectrical means while the running the machine, the water is heated. That will heat, reduce the for control the waters, cooling.
And what is this? How this controller works?
This is a what mean. If now machine is running now, this part you can see here. This is a cursor. So the machine in the place, where is this place connected now? It will move here.
Acha,
Only
this
big
places the
graphics.
cursors on the material.
Yes, the graph only they are showing.
Oh, nice. The graphs, you can check it out that how, on which materials is
Yes.
doing the laser work.
Correct.
Sirs, how's the response you're getting in this exhibition?
Last yesterday afternoon response is okay. Today also response is a little bit okay, but
Not so good.
Not so well.
And since how many years you guys are exhibiting here in India Machine Tool Expo?
So that's a problem.
And so what is the website if anyone wants to contact you?
Yes, madam. S&D group.
This is-
www.sndnews.com.
This is the website. You guys can check it out. Till now I have shown you laser cutting machines. I will be showing you more machineries, so stay tuned till the end. Hello sir.
Hello,
May I know your name?
Myself is Krunal Valodia. I am representing A Innovative International Limited. We are based in Ahmedabad and we manufacture water jet cutting machines, laser cutting machines, and some types of SPM lasers and water jet robotic systems. And
Can you please show us what laser
yes,
machine is?
definitely. We are exhibiting with our best one of its kind product with of laser cutting machines with the fiber technology, fiber laser systems, and with the high accuracy and rigidity structures. I'll show you the machines what we represent over here. This is our basic system, wherein the system will have the details of the cutting systems, wherein drawings and profiles can be programmed, and depending on the drawings, we can have the CNC working on it, and it cuts metals, mild steel, stainless steel, galvanized sheets, and all sheets over there. And you can see the live demonstration working on it. It's a high-speed cutting machine with the high accuracies, made in India systems, and we serve metal industries, architectural industries, wherein all the applications can be clubbed with metal cutting systems.
So do you guys manufacture your own machines or you import some parts of it?
Yeah, we make the machines in India, and we are a 25-year-old manufacturing company wherein we design our systems with the high rigidity systems since the last 24 years with the fiber laser cutting machine and water jet cutting systems.
And machinery range lies between what amount?
Machinery starts from 25 lakhs to 20 CR, depending on the application and depending on the how big size of the systems are we are working.
You also do the customizations of machinery?
Yes, definitely. We do the customizations for applications like defense, aerospace, atomic research centers, and all. We also do have a railways and automobile companies wherein we can use the machines, our machines, where to cut the carpets and roof liners and automobile for the metro projects and high-speed rail systems as well.
Any new machinery that you are thinking to make in the lasing sector?
Yes, we have defined a system for aerospace industry wherein high power systems will be defined, wherein it cuts the profile cutting with the 5-axis and 7-axis systems to cut the nutshell of the defense and aerospace applications.
Since how many years you guys are exhibiting here in India Tool Machine?
This is our 10th exhibition, and we are associated with KND Communication, the organizer, since last 24 years. And they have been doing very good in the different segments, regional exhibitions from India Machine Tool to NGMAC in the west side of India. And we are very satisfied with the organization, and a successful 10th MTOS exhibition is been done.
How is the response you're getting this time?
Yes, today is the second day and we have a fabulous response. The numbers of customers, visitors coming over here, decision makers are here, and those who want new technology to be integrated in their systems or in their application industries, they can visit us, this exhibition, and the fruitful till date is very good, and hopefully the next day, coming 2 days will be also good.
What is the website if anyone wants to contact you?
We work with the two different applications, like we have a innovative.com and we have a waterjetcutting.com. We have two product portfolio websites where our product can be easily been seen.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Today I have shown you all the brands. So thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, take care.